This is my one-pot chicken marsala, the fastest, best dish for a weeknight dinner ever. Gluten-free, dairy-free, but full of flavor.
Coat the chicken cutlets in rice flour, then sear them in a skillet. Remove the chicken, and in the same skillet, saute shallots and garlic. Add in the mushrooms and saute everything together. Next, add some Marsala wine. I love the way the mushrooms soak up the rich, sweet flavor of the Marsala. Add the chicken broth and let everything simmer together. And finally, add the seared chicken back into the pan and spoon the delicious mushroom Marsala sauce over everything. And that's it, baby. Dinner is one and done and couldn't be easier.